encourages us. Your word is a lamp unto our feet. Your word is a light into our pathway. We thank you for your word. In the emptiness, in the darkness, you are God who said light be. You framed the worlds by your very word. What was seen came from unseen. In the darkness, you are God who spoke light into existence. You framed the world by your very word. Word was sin, came from unseen. Right from the beginning, He is God. You are God. You are God, whose word is life. You framed the world by your very word. What was sin came from unseen. Izwi Lakho liyadala. Izwi Lakho liyadala. Izwi Lakho liyadala. Izwi Lakho liyadala. Izwi Lakho lona liyadala. Okushilo kuyenzeka. Izwi Lakho. Izwi Lakho. Ukhuluma ngezwi kwenzeke. Izwi Lakho liyadala. You're not a man that you should, nor a son of man. You should repent. What you have said, that is what you will do. You have spoken, you will fulfill. You're not a man that you should lie, now a son of man. You should repent. What you have said is that which you will do. You have spoken, you will fulfill. Como Izwi Lakho limile shalom. Izwi Lakho limile shalom. Koshabalala bonke umhlaba nezulu. Izwi Lakho, Izwi Lakho, Izwi Lakho. Shakatala, Izwi Lakho. Simile kalo, futhi simile kalo. Simile Lentswe la hao le matla.